Xiaomi Redmi Note 11 Pro Max 2021. Release date, price, feature, full specifications. Xiaomi Redmi Note 11 Pro Max 6000 mAh battery, 108 megapixel camera, 8 gigabytes of RAM, 128 gigabytes of storage. Welcome to our website that we are sharing with you about Xiaomi upcoming handset. At this time, the Xiaomi company manufacturer making a very good handset of their customer, which name is Redmi Note 11 Pro Max. It is a Xiaomi upcoming handset in the world. Every year, the Xiaomi company manufacturer making very good handset of their customer. All the Xiaomi new handset gets a big market. At present, there are many smartphone brands available in the local market. Among all of the brands, Xiaomi is the best. It has very strong technology. A large number of people are using Xiaomi brands. Who the Xiaomi smartphone lovers are want to buy a new handset? Don't worry. Before buying the handset, just check the details about the phone. In this content, you can get all information about the Xiaomi new handset. Some information leaks the Xiaomi company manufacturer. They are talking us that it has a 6000 mAh battery, 108 megapixel camera, 8 gigabytes RAM, and more. Just the phone content and also gets more detailed phone. Are you looking here when coming to Xiaomi new handset in the local market? Don't worry. Here this content we provide you can expect it upcoming release date. Now, there is no official information when coming, but the company manufacturer talking to us that as soon as coming. Redmi Note 11 Pro Max launch date is November 30, 2021. Redmi Note 11 Pro Max is an upcoming smartphone by Xiaomi with an expected price of $359 US. Actually, Xiaomi's new handset all part is very strong. The Redmi Note 11 Pro Max available part is display, battery, RAM, storage, camera, and connectivity. Let's going to be the explain about the handset all part. Display Xiaomi Redmi Note 11 Pro Max as it might feature 6.57 inches display with a resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels. Apart from this, Xiaomi Redmi Note 11 Pro Max is likely power octa-core 4 by 2.0 GHz Cortex so that you can enjoy a seamless performance. Here is the smartphone has the best quality camera. The handset comes with a triple rear camera setup and a 108 megapixel primary lens, plus 8 megapixel secondary shooter, plus 8 megapixel depth sensor. The Xiaomi device comes with dual snapper comprised of two 20 megapixel sensor. So this is information about the Xiaomi Redmi Note 11 Pro Max. You will take care of yourself. Bye bye.